Alright, if you're on my channel, you know I do things that no one has ever done before. I'm about to buy a cheese slicer. Reason why is I have some beautiful habanero cheddar cheese, and that's what it looks like. I sliced it with a serrated knife. That's a serrated knife. I used it to cut meat, not the cheese. So we're still vegetarian in here, other than the cheese, but the Indians still love me. And I think the Jews and the Muslims. That is a refrigerator ripened avocado. And that is the color after about 2 weeks, maybe more. No residue here. Look at that color. It's beautiful. Fuchsia, right? Dark fuchsia. That's what we're going to call it. Dark fuchsia. And then we have some, thank you Dollar Tree, the Pampa asparagus spears. Drained all the juice. Look at those. That is the smallest piece of asparagus I've ever seen in my life, and thank you, Pampa. Finger licking good. And this is how we roll on my channel. We got to break out another knife. We're going to do something with some avocado, some habanero cheddar cheese, and some asparagus. Love you.